Like, to keep out.
Sully, you got your train set? Grandma got you? Grandma, we put this together today. It took me 2 hours. But Sully is in heaven. Out of your mouth, bud. Scout loves it. There's Mommy. She loves it. Sit here and watch Sully all day play with this. It's the gift you got him, Grandma. Look at him.
I don't know, Sully.
You playing with your train set, bud?
Wanna get by?
You say thank you to Grandma? You say thank you, Grandma, Sully? Yeah? Out of your mouth. Out of your mouth. Thank you. It's pretty neat, Grandma. Everything it does. It's where all the cars park at night. Close the door. The thing makes noise. The thing lights up. Goes through a tunnel in here. Here, Mom, will you show how it goes through the tunnel and makes noise, babe? Show Grandma.
Oh, the track's broken.
What do you mean?
It needs to be fixed.
What did Sully do?
Relax.
Look. They're still finishing work here on building stuff. There's a... Sully, you having fun? Trains go or choo choo, whatever they make. Sully could do this all day long. Little dude's hiding there, pal. That's where things hide. Just like, oh, get your hand out of the way.
This is a train stop.
I know, we gotta show Grandma where they fill up on the gas right here. There's a little thing right there. What's that thing do? They go through the chute? It's a door.
Yeah.
Oh, it goes through the door there.
It's supposed to go this way, I take it. In order to go through this door.
Still doing some construction. A crash on the site. That's where they hide at night. Little intricate pieces here.
I need the cover. I want to see what they did in the middle better.
Sully. It's got some drawers here, Grandma. Put stuff in.
Put all this stuff in it.
Put all this stuff in it when he's done. Be Mom's job. Daddy won't do that.
So I'm trying to make this sign stay here, like this is a train stop. You know, you don't really want me to do anything.
All right, Grandma. Say bye, Grandma. Sully.
Bye-bye.
Sully, say I love you, Grandma. Say thank you. Sully. Sullivan. You playing with the little dudes? He has nowhere to go. So excited.